Hello and welcome to Zoom Review Show. Let's take a look at top 4 recommendations for this week. Now moving on to Jewel Thief. Produced by filmmaker Siddharth Anand, the Netflix crime thriller Jewel Thief, The Heist Begins, starring Saif Ali Khan and Jaideep Ahlawat, sets up a predictable narrative with familiar characters. There is a lot of suspension of belief and logic in Jewel Thief. Saif plays a master jewel thief Rehan, who is blackmailed by Jaideep's Rajan Olak into stealing Africa's Kohinoor. Rehan goes so under the radar that the authorities can never quite catch him. And then there's the actual heist, which tries to pull the wool over the audience's eyes over and over again after an intriguing first half. The second half becomes far too easy to foretell. The Hindi film, directed by Kuki Gulati and Robbie Grewal, strains so hard in establishing the long con that it wears you out by the end. Jewel Thief tries to be clever at every step, but this time in Heist does not stick its landing. While Zoom gives Jewel Thief a 2.5-star rating. Now moving on to Ground Zero. In Narendra Nath Thar Dubey's biopic, Ground Zero, Imran Hashmi leads an important mission as a BSF officer to capture Ghazi Baba, the mastermind behind countless terror attacks across the country. The Tejas, the Oscar directorial, takes the audience into the white snow-clad valleys of Kashmir that's painted red with bloodstains. The action sequences are gritty, intense and jaw-dropping. The well-choreographed stunts and brilliant cinematography uplift the thriller, which is weaker in staging drama. Director Tejas does a good job. Imran Hashmi is honest but uncomfortable. Well, Zoom gives Ground Zero 3-star rating. Well, now moving on to Phule. Anant Mahadevan's Phule is an inspiring retelling of Mahatma Jyotirao Phule and his wife Savitri Bai Phule's incredible life journey. Starring Pratik Gandhi and Patralekha in lead roles, the film sheds light on how the real-life couple fostered a significant change by empowering women through education and tactfully battling caste discrimination. Pratik leaves a lasting impression with his poignant portrayal as Mahatma Phule. On the other hand, Patralekha shines through in scenes where her character takes a strong stand for herself and her husband. Direction-wise, senior filmmaker Anant has dealt with the subject of casteism carefully. However, the film falters in the execution of its second half, where many important events of the social reformers' lives are rushed. Darshil Safari has a limited screen time, which restricts his character arc development. Despite a few glitches, Phule pays a dignified homage to the 19th century social reformers of India. If you're looking for a wholesome movie to watch this week, consider viewing Phule. Well, Zoom gives Phule 3-star rating. Now moving on to You, Season 5. In its 5th and final season, Netflix returns to its origin city, New York, with promises of redemption, reinvention and revenge. Yet for all its noir-tinted ambitions, the show's final chapter offers more fatigue than the finale. What was once a razor-sharp psychological thriller dripping with dark humor and cultural subtext ends up sprawling into a soapier, more predictable tale of secrets, scandals and serial sin. Joy Goldberg, Penn Badgley, once a seemingly sweet bookworm with a violent streak, has worn many masks. In Season 5, he's traded in his cap, an apron for tailored suits and media exposure. Now living a life of luxury with his wife Kate, a powerful CEO with skeletons of her own, Joy attempts to settle into the high society he's always been on the fringe of. But as always, the shadows of his past lurk just around the corner, and so do the bodies. Well, Season 5 of You tries to do many things: wrap up Joy's arc, explore the hollowness of privilege, poke at influencer culture, and deliver soapy twists. But it does none with full conviction. It is a season of potential left largely unexplored. Even the social commentary that once made the series stand apart is now reduced to surface-level jabs and hashtags. Zoom gives You Season 5 2.5-star rating. Well, that's it for today. I hope you must have selected your favorite recommendation for this week. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching Zoom for more updates.